What's going on, guys? We're going to go over the opening range break on the NQ futures today. So again, this is a very easy way where you guys can kind of set up your charts. You can look to take scalp positions. What we're going to entail here is going to be the 20 period moving average. That's the white line, the 200, which is the yellow, and then we're just going to manually mark out that opening range high and that opening range low. So what does that exactly mean? Market for me in California is going to open at 6:30 in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and let the first 30 minutes of the market do its thing, right? No rush, no stress. I was in the live stream this morning with the Evolution Traders private live stream that you guys can get access to by becoming a lifetime member, link down below. But what I was looking at was that 15176 area. That is the opening range low. Now that opening range low is below the 30-minute and the 30-minute 20 SMA. So what we're looking for is to let these kind of ranges develop here. And if we were to break to the high side, that price would have been 15,260. We would have taken a long there, but being that we were trading towards the bottom, what we want to do is then go over to the 5-minute time frame. And by going over to the 5-minute time frame, that's going to really tighten up our risk. Okay, so what I want you guys to notice here is look at the open here. We get that immediate push higher, and then we get that rejection, and then we come all the way down here and put in that price, that 15,175 area, right? So what are we looking for here at the 7 o'clock hour? What we're looking for is a confirmation through this low. Now understand you have the 200 period moving average here, so this is about 15 points below. If you want to take profits into this area, be my guest. If you want to hold a runner to see if we crack below, be my guest. So as we open up the top of the hour candle, we have to take this short position. Why? We're below the 200. We're coming right into a level of demand here at we're below the 20, and we're coming into a demand zone here at the 200. So we can take this for a 10 to 15 point scalp there. We can leave a runner, and as soon as we start to break and we put in a new low, we want to sell on the way out. Now I want you guys to notice, as we push back up into this area acted as a tricky area the whole day. And if you actually look at the sell-off here, that opening range low on the 30-minute candlestick or the 1 hour candlestick, that opening range low acted as our last final rejection here at 1145 to kind of close the market, and we've been trending down lower ever since. So you could have taken another short position here on the 20 play when we lost the 20 SMA on the 5-minute time frame. But again, guys, I just want to show you these levels, and if we look at the ES and see what the ES did on the 30-minute time frame as well, we can kind of scroll over here, and if we look at the 30-minute time frame and we kind of see what that opening range low was, look at where the opening range low was. Opening range low was here, and that price is sitting at around 44.75. Opening range high was sitting here. Now, are we thinking short or are we thinking long? We're thinking short. We're trading below the 200. We're trading below the 20 SMA. All we need is a 7 a.m. candle to kind of confirm this price action, and it drops from a price of 44.75 all the way down to 44.60. So that's a 15-point move on the ES. That's a tremendous move there on the ES. All you have to do is sit and wait for these plays to develop. Even if this is the only tool in your belt, where this is the only strategy that you're playing, you guys will make money as long as you follow it accordingly. Now again, where do you put your stop loss at? You would definitely go to the 5-minute time frame, tighten up that stop loss. And for example, if this is where we're looking to get in, and this is the entry candle here at 7 a.m., we can put a stop loss here at the 1 bar stop, or you can put it at the prior 5-minute high stop, depending on how much risk you want to give it. Entry candle becomes here, right? So let me just draw this out for you. Entry candle becomes here. Stop loss would become here. 1 bar stop. That's your entry candle. Okay, entry candle here. Boom, as we break down, we close, we get a confirmation, and we're selling on this candle, right? We're selling on that candle. Easy. Look at the last 20 play on the ES. 1 bar stop would be here. Okay, so we close below the 20 period moving average. 1 bar stop is there. Entry price is here. Break on a confirmation. So this green candle you would take as it breaks that price action, hold it as long as it doesn't stop you out. continue to ride the momentum to the downside. Hope this video helps you guys. Again, if you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to get access to these levels intraday in the morning, especially when we're doing the live streams, become a lifetime member at Evolution Traders, and I'll see you guys on the inside.